Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. Yes, what I'm going to bring you this week is a very simple but effective recipe. Just as a bit of a flavour bomb and a protein boost is actually a little recipe from the Tim Spector The Food for Life cookbook, which is completely plant-based. Please do check out the review I've actually covered on this, and it's an absolutely exceptional book. Now at the back you actually have some little hints and tips for actually making some of these kind of like a score booster. Yes, very much like the Dr. Greger cookbooks and how he's sort of giving you some boosters for flavour and for nutritional boosts and things like this. Very similar system, but this recipe that I'm actually going to cover is actually, it's the Tempeh Crumble here, and this is really simple. So all you need is obviously your tempeh. I'm actually using this T-bird tempeh. Now if you don't know what tempeh is actually a form of tofu. Tempeh actually came from Indonesia, which is near Malaysia. Can make tempeh anywhere. It's a process. It's more of a mature, complex, like a nutty sort of mature flavour of tofu. It's a bit more hard and it's 100% natural protein. So it's an absolutely fantastic product. Also, what you need is some soy sauce. I'm actually using this less salt version. And then you need some miso paste. It's a brown rice miso. So there we go. Final ingredient is just some pepper. You know, 4 basic ingredients. So I'm actually going to use my Ninja air fryer. So I've got my tray here, which is really good, a flat tray. All I'm going to do is mix this up into a bowl, and then I'm just going to mix it all together, and then I'm going to air fry it. So let's get going. And then here we have it, the crispy tempeh. Look at that, absolutely brilliant. So all you need to do now, just check the consistency, make sure it's nice and dry. Don't want it too wet, because what it's going to do is you're just going to put this into a jar. You're just going to let it cool first, then put it into a jar and label up, and then you can use it as your Tempeh Crumble anytime you need. And this recipe is referenced a lot in a lot of recipes in this book, and you can basically have it as a topping or like a bit of texture, a bit of a flavour bomb, and it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to start doing this a lot now and have this at hand, bit of a protein boost, absolutely superb. So I've just labelled this up, a nice little label, apply this here, like so. I'm simply just going to add in the crumble into the jar. I'm just going to try. Wow. You know, for those that don't actually like tofu, tempeh is just a little bit more sophisticated. It's a lot more, bit nuttier, a bit more sort of flavoursome, more savoury notes, more umami. It's absolutely brilliant. So yeah, and there we have it, the Tempeh Crumble. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4:30. Be sure to turn on those notifications. Bing! Also check out my playlist for flavour bombs. I've done really unique recipes, which like Ottolenghi style recipes. Things like the hibiscus red onion pickle. Absolutely amazing. All these little things you can just add onto food, either as a garnish or as a flavour bomb, just to give it that extra sort of wow effect. Especially for plant-based food, this sort of thing is an absolute winner. So hope you enjoy, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.